This is your girl, Mrs. Rita F. Brewer, for you. I hope you are doing well, guys. As I just upload my video for finishing Sky Food, it's my turn. Today, I want to go all the way to Ghana, my beloved country. It's free forever. Okay, guys, today I want to prepare Banku Porridge. Okay, so I know a lot of people know about this. Okay, this is made out of corn. So you peel the corn from the steak, put it on the sun, let it dry, blend it, it become powder. That's how we do Banku. Okay, I'm gonna need smooth peanut butter, chili powder, sugar as usual. Okay, let me show you guys. I need bowl as well. So I already put the hot water on the fire, so let me show you guys. So this is my hot water, and the black thing inside is a ground medicine. We put it in a porridge. I forget what they call it in English. Okay, but Ghana we say wintia. I'll find the English name and then I'll put on a comment below. So this is what I'm doing. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put my porridge in my pan or my bowl. Put my chili, and then I'm gonna put the peanut in the soup, the peanut in the hot water. I need water, and then I'm gonna mix it up. Water. This is how much I'm gonna put it in the hot water. Now it's time for me to mix my porridge with the chili. I don't want it too thick and I don't want it too watery. If you're doing it, please don't make it too watery and don't make it too thick. All right. So this is all the Banku porridge I've already finished. So I'm gonna tip it in the hot water. My hot water is ready. So here goes the porridge, and I need to mix it straight away. You need to keep stirring it, otherwise it will turn into Banku. And on the side, I've put in hot water in the bowl that I mixed the Banku with, and I'm gonna put it back here. So as you can see, it's getting the porridge done. So I put the water in, and then I mix it again because I don't want it to be Banku. I'm doing porridge. So stay tuned and see the end. Keep stirring. Keep putting water when it's getting too thick. Keep putting in water. You just want a little bit watery, not too watery. You want it thick, so keep putting water when your porridge is getting too thick. Okay, so now you see this is how it should look like. Wait for part 2. All right, guys, this is the final stage, part 2, the final stage. So I'm gonna go ahead. As you can see, my porridge is getting ready. It's already ready because there's no sugar in it. So I'm gonna use white sugar, but you can use brown sugar. If you want brown sugar, not the white sugar, you can use brown sugar. Okay, and also you will need milk powder with peanuts, raw peanuts or roasted peanuts to go with that. So I'm not doing peanuts today, I'm just gonna do it and show you guys how I do it, but I will not add peanuts. So let's add the sugar and let me show you guys how you prepare and eat it with your mouth. Mwah. My daughter is gonna volunteer. She's gonna put 1 cup of sugar. 1 cup of sugar. There it goes. That's all you need. You can add more if you want. Thank you, baby. My baby sweet girl. So this is it, guys. So all done. Stay tuned. I'm gonna show you guys how to eat it. Okay, this is my evaporated milk. I'm gonna use that. So let's see. Okay, watch it for last final finishito, guys. Finishito. Finish. So I have my little bowl here. I'm just gonna put some. Okay, more. Okay, that is it. I put it here. Close my porridge. It's already done. So I'm putting peanut. I don't have roasted peanuts, so I'm just using. And then I put milk. Yum. And then I'll put milk powder. And that's it. Let me show you guys how it looks. So guys, this is it. We're gonna try. It's hot.